Hello guys, take a look this. Bitcoin just pumped 4%. That's amazing. Guys, don't get too excited for Bitcoin make these small moves. Take a look this. Why are gonna trade Bitcoin cost $20,000 if you just made 40% trade Trias, guys? I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought Trias for 81 cents and today we put a sell order right here, $1.15. 40%, I just made $4,000 in my pocket. Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin. The whole internet right now is saying Bitcoins go to the moon, go to the moon, go to the moon. They don't know what they're talking about, guys. Let me show you here. This is a one daily chart. Bitcoin just have a small pump of 4%, but those pumps are very common, guys. You see here when it hits down here, it crash down, it continue crash down. Okay, in order to get motivated to trade Bitcoin, I want to see the volume, guys. If you pay attention here, the volume is always decreasing, decreasing. The volume is nothing special here. I want to see volume, guys. We make money trade those pumps because we trade price action and volume. Okay, on the private list today we talk about FantomGo, EarthFund, Trias token, ABBC coin. Guys, 48 hours I just made 95%. I mean 9,500. That's how you make money, guys. Now, on the other side, people are focused on the main cryptos. The main cryptos are not moving because they depend on Bitcoin. I want to see the volume, guys. My software calculate volume spike plus buyer power. That's how I found those pumps. Guys, if you want to take your action and change your life right now, feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Okay, and another way, I will alert you when you should buy and sell the main cryptos, guys. Bitcoin, XRP, like I show you the last time. Our last call in Bitcoin was right here on March. We sold Bitcoin for $47,000. Don't worry about it. I got everything in control in my hand. Feel free to reach me out. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. If you don't like to trade pumps, guys, also we can trade for you. We do swing up trade. Let me show you here the trends and swing trade up. That's the trades I share in the private list. Take a look how many. Guys, my software is tracking 3,000 coins right now. That's how I found so many pumps. Okay? Let me know if you want to get your name on the private list. Email me. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. My name is Daniel. Bye-bye.